Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to make a nameplate for all the beauticians. Yes, this nameplate is for all the beauticians out there, for which I have taken a wooden nameplate, acrylic paints, brushes, fevicol, scissors, like Amazon or Flipkart boxes or any cardboard carton, transparent tape, varnish, fish wire or any strong thread, hooks, hangings and fevicryl molded. Like my earlier videos of nameplate, which you can watch on my channel anytime, the process for this nameplate is also exactly the same. Firstly, I have taken a wooden nameplate and painted it completely and kept it aside to dry. Until then, I took Google printouts of the makeover things, like what do we need, like what do beauticians or anything which is required in a salon or a parlor. I have took a printout of those and I cut it. So the figures were basically of a comb or a moisturizer, of those types, as you can see in this video. So I took the black and white printout. I took these figures from the Google and cut the figures, and then I pasted all these figures on a carton, like a cardboard, and then I cut it again because this was the base for the figures. And once that was cut, I then covered the outer part. As you can see in this video, I actually measured a white paper with 0.5 centimeters and cut out the white paper in stripes so that I can cover the outer part of the figures, but that is completely not required. This is not necessary. We can actually cover the outer border of these figures with quilling stripes, quilling papers that we get it in any art and craft shop or a stationery shop. But because I didn't have the quilling stripes with me, I actually had to measure the A4 size paper into 0.5 centimeters, cut it out, paste it to one another, and then cover the outer part of the figure. But you can simply use the quilling strip. And now our figures are ready. And now to give a glossy shiny look to those figures, I then pasted the transparent tape on these figures so that it gives a shiny look. So my figures were ready. Once these were ready, the nameplate that I painted, once that was painted, I then wrote it with fevicol on it, Happy Makeover, and then I mixed the fevicryl molded earlier. I always, if I anytime want to make a nameplate, I firstly keep the fevicryl molded mix ready and also make strings out of it, so that once my nameplate is ready, I can just immediately start working on the nameplate. That is what I have done even here. Once the nameplate was painted, I then wrote Happy Makeover with fevicol on the nameplate, and because the fevicryl molded was mixed and the strings were ready, I just pasted it on the Happy Makeover, like on the fevicol part. I pasted these fevicryl molded strings, and that's it. I put it to dry. And beside after that, as you can see, I like cut the figures and pasted it on the cardboard, and then I also covered the outer part of the figures, and then I also covered at the end, I covered the upper part of the figures with glossy, like the transparent tape. And once this was also ready, I then started pasting these figures on both the sides of the nameplate, like before Happy Makeover and after Happy Makeover, as you can see in this video. And once this was also ready, as you can see in this video, I had these hooks which were already like I attached the hooks to my nameplate at the bottom of the nameplate, so that I can make a string of the other figures which I wanted on the nameplate. So once the figures were painted and the hangings were I bolt the hangings at the bottom of the nameplate, and then I fixed, like I tied a fish wire to one end of the hanging, and then then the other end of the fish wire I put it in the needle, and then started like how do I put it, I started inserting these needle and fish wire in the figures that you can see, and then covered the remaining part with the golden motis, as you can see. And a string type figure was ready, as you can see in this video. And then the other part of the fish wire, once the string was ready with the figures, I tied the other part of the fish wire to the next the other hanging, as you can see in the video. And that's it, this was ready. And once this was tied, I started painting the Happy Makeover, and once the paint was also dry, I varnished the complete frame and put it aside for 24 hours. That's it, my Happy Makeover nameplate is ready. Also, kindly do watch the video till end, because I am going to show you all my other nameplates as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media. And do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.